assembled at Next Gen Mall along Mombasa Road to hold a demonstration days after one of their colleagues was allegedly lynched by an angry mob of parents in Kitui County. Daisy Mbathe, a teacher at Ndoni Primary School in Endau location, was attacked and her body burnt to ashes. Let's cross over live and listen in.
To declare a national day of mourning in solidarity with teacher Daisy. More so the day when she'll be ready to rest.
Yes!
All teachers should be ready to down their tools on that day to create awareness of the extent of femicide in this country.
Yes!
We are asking, when and why did the teaching profession stop being an honorable profession to become the most dangerous profession in the world? Not only are teachers not paid well and respected, but they are also targets of outrage, frustrations, and murder.
Yes.
Where is the world heading to? When will union builders, should we fear for their lives? Well, bandits and the thieves, that is the real ones, are rooming and dining with lawmakers and those in charge of enforcing it. If teachers' security is not guaranteed, then how about the students? Thank you so much. That is the end of our press release.
Justice for Daisy!
Justice for Daisy!
Justice for Daisy!
Justice for Daisy!
Inshallah.
Thank you so much. Unless there is any question,
Sweet. Mbona msemi aseme kwa Kiswahili?
Thank you.
I'm not so sure from what I know is the cause of killing of the teacher in our school compound. It is something that must be related with school material. So anything else that is being peddled, because we are reading other things from the social media, we want to say those are side shows. They just want to divert attention.
Kenya Women Teachers Association, they're of course speaking on the safety of teachers. This is following the death or murder, I would say, of Daisy Mbathe, a teacher who was burnt to death. And as you heard there, they are calling for a national day of mourning, particularly on that day when Daisy will be buried. And they're also calling for teachers to down their tools on that day again. Now, of course, since then, we have seen the Teachers Service Commission withdraw 6 teachers from Kitui County. That's a developing story, which of course we are following up on for you. And still on that, now cases of parents taking the law into their hands to deal with head teachers over alleged poor performance in last year's national examinations are on the rise. Education CS Professor George Magoha warns of tough action to follow against parents involved in similar acts. Now, this comes days after Daisy Mbathe, a teacher at Ndoni Primary School in Endau location, Kitui County, was allegedly lynched by an angry mob of teachers. Willie Lusige with more details.
As schools open across the country, reports abound of parents forcefully ejecting head teachers from underperforming schools in their regions. In Kihononyi Primary, located in Mwatate constituency, Taita Taveta County, parents invaded the school compound and evicted all the teachers from the institution over what they termed as poor performance, theft and embezzlement of funds.
Chakula ya watoto kuletwa shuleni. Vyakula vinaibiwa shuleni. Watoto shuleni wana fail.
Meanwhile, there was drama at Masige Ward on Thursday when police from Nyangusu Police Station tried to arrest Kisii County Assembly Deputy Speaker Davidson Onuso as he led a demonstration to eject Kiobegi Secondary School Principal Jairus Onchonke over poor performance. Irate members of the public engaged the police in running battles as they tried to stop the police from arresting the MCA. All this happening a few days after Daisy Mbathe, a teacher at Ndoni Primary School in Kitui, was killed after the school posted poor results in the 2019 KCPE examinations. Education CS George Magoha warns parents against taking action into their hands and promises that security will be beefed up in learning institutions to preclude cases where teachers are attacked.
So we celebrate the life of our colleague who was burnt in Kitui. We want to send a very firm warning to parents that I as Professor Magoha, in charge of the sector now, hope that the law will be very firm with the people who killed that innocent soul there.
The CS absolved teachers for any poor results posted by learners in schools, reminding parents that they equally have a role to play in the welfare of their children.
Everybody is guilty, from the parents themselves, who perhaps confuse their children by promising them things that will not come in the exam.
Magoha supports the move by the TSC to withdraw all teachers from Doni Primary School in Kitui, where their colleague was killed, saying that all the pupils from the school will be absorbed by the neighboring institutions.
The children can be dispersed to schools which are around there. County commissioners and what have you must work with that population to detoxicate the thinking that they have.
Willie Lusige, KTN News.
Let's now take you back to Next Gen Mall, where Kenya Women Teachers Association they have assembled to hold a demonstration days after one of their colleagues was allegedly lynched by an angry mob of parents in Kitui County. Daisy Mbathe, a teacher at Ndoni Primary School in Endau location, was attacked and her body burnt to ashes. Let's take you back there and listen in. Mbona tumerudi?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, that is the Kenya Women Teachers Association there, of course, in solidarity with one of their own who was murdered, Daisy Mbathe, a teacher. And of course, as I did mention earlier, they were calling for a national day of mourning and for teachers to down their tools on that day when Daisy Mbathe will be buried. Now, let's move on and ladies